Using mobile-first technology changes the game. Mobile-first technology is an advancement in much more personal website construction. Standard website philosophy is focused on business, since that area was originally adopted so fast and with such force that all other viewpoints were pretty much forced out. Business is focused on sales, and that is about all the internet community has seen as the way to operate. MobileFirst-Personal websites is dedicated to a truly alternative viewpoint, making the internet and its wider community more able to benefit from the advantages of active websites from the personal and small business perspective. The business persona is focused on making websites look great on the larger screens, such as desktop and laptop screens, while the majority of web browsing is shifted from those resolutions to the main screen resolution offered by the mobile phone. Most traditional websites are responsive in nature. The website has been shoehorned into the smaller screens with little, if any, recourse to tweaking them specifically for the phone. Mobile-first technology demands that the screen that the site be developed for is the phone, and the rest of the resolutions are then created adaptively, meaning the sites are usually tweaked with separate controls for the larger resolutions. Focusing on the phone and creating a platform which is economical enough that anyone can build a site on their own opens a much wider range of possibilities. We have discussed some of them in the previous issues, such as digital business cards, where a desktop implementation is really an outdated concept for their use. A digital business card needs to be accessible at all times. With the increasingly popular implementation of progressive web apps, PWAs, for the small business sector. This is becoming a bigger and bigger trend for anyone who needs to contact a specific segment of their customer base in an instant. PWAs are basically mobile apps that do not require the heavy programming and developmental logistics, at least when built on the mobile-first platform. They are extensions of websites that can be transformed into installable programs directly on the home page or pages of a phone. With the ease of creation, their scope also becomes much more broader in nature. We provide a radical way to keep a family in touch without texting in the article below. I have long suggested that we are at the beginning of a new paradigm shift where the mobile phone becomes the center of the digital life of most people. It has become ubiquitous, found in the hands of almost everyone you see. They are everywhere you look and are being used for more and more tasks that even laptops cannot offer. Bigger resolutions will not disappear entirely until total private and confidential voice recognition to text is available. There are too many places where the full-size keyboard is required. Sincerely, Steve Pond, founder of Mobile First Personal Websites.